Hi friends, this video shows how to increase internal storage of this Google TV streamer using SanDisk portable SSD. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable, and this SanDisk SSD is connected to this USB hub using this black cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. That is a setup. Let me go to TV, then go to all settings, go to system, go to storage, and here under removable storage you can see that SanDisk SSD 1 TB. Select it. See, here you can see two options: eject and erase and format as device storage. Go back. Above this removable storage you can see device storage. It shows 26 GB. That is the actual size of the internal storage of this Google TV streamer. I am going to increase this to 1 TB plus 26 GB. Okay, so let me go to this removable storage, select this 1 TB SanDisk SSD, then select this option erase and format as device storage. Set format. Please wait. Okay, done. Formatted and converted to device storage. Here you can see two options: move now and move later. Using this move now option you can move photos, files, apps and games from this internal storage of this Google TV streamer to this SSD storage. I will do that later. Let me go back. So now you can see that SanDisk SSD 1 TB that has been moved from removable storage to device storage section. See, now you can see this SanDisk SSD under this device storage. So now I have increased internal storage of this Google TV streamer from 26 GB to 1 TB plus 26 GB. See. Okay, so next I will show you how we can manually move some apps and games to this SanDisk SSD drive. Select this SanDisk USB drive, then go down, set apps. Here you can see all apps installed in this device. Let me go to see all apps. See, then let me select one app. Let me select this An Explorer app, then go to storage used. Here you can see right now this app has been installed in internal storage of this Google TV streamer, so we can move that to this SanDisk SSD. Let me move it. Now it's moving. Done. Let me check it. See, now it shows SanDisk USB drive. So this way we can move apps and games from this Google TV streamer internal storage to this SSD. We can also move it back. Let me move it back to internal storage. Done. Okay, so this way we can increase internal storage of this Google TV streamer using this SanDisk SSD. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.